sound good. It's wonderful win. We are happy. My teammates, coaches, and my bosses. And right now we are at the top of the table. And our target and mission is to play for the Premier League, not in the big league. That's why we are able to win games, and we are ready to fight for every team that is coming in our way. This match, yeah, it was a real. We are not happy with the referee. We are not happy with the referee. The way he conducted the game, it wasn't good. It was quarreling with our coaches, my teammates. They have to change about that.
What should the fans expect?
The fans, they should expect to win. Our mission is to win all games, home and away. So we are leaving this side with a win with 3 points. We are heading back home, and we are ready for our next game. I call upon the fans everywhere, and I promise you we are going to win that next game.
No, anything for you? Yeah, in the first half you were losing 1-8, in the second half you were losing 1-2. What do you think inspired the team to come back?
It's always about our coach. At the first half, we are not half, but when we went in the dressing room, our coach told us to we increase speed in the game so that we score, and we did it.
At the moment, you're number 1 in the FIFA Big League. Do you think you're going to achieve your target of reaching the Grand Premier League next season?
I promise my fans that we are going to do that.
Thank you.